Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, September 23rd, I think. Yesterday was the first official day of fall, which fall is my absolute favorite season. It's just the weather and the holidays and the food and football games. I just love the fellowship and how people get together during the fall. That's really my favorite part of it. But yesterday I was in a super weird funk. I just felt off. I felt weird. I didn't feel happy or blessed. And the weeks prior, I felt really good. I felt really blessed to be where I am. And yesterday just kind of was off-putting. Nothing particular. There's no particular reason. I just felt off. And me and Jimmy took really long naps and didn't really spend time together. And Jimmy felt sick, but I just felt off. So today I want to start off on a good foot. I'm going to do the things that make me happy. I want to do the things that make me feel good. Do the things I know that's best for me. And just get back to my old routine of what I really enjoy to do because I've been neglecting that. So that's what today is going to be about. So this morning I'm just going to watch some YouTube videos about fall trends and fall clothes. I'm not looking to go shopping, but I just love watching these group of girls go thrift shopping for like the new trends and what they like to wear for each season. It's so fun for me because it's something everybody can do. So I really, really enjoy watching those. So I'll watch that this morning. I'll do a Devo this morning. I've really been neglecting reading my Bible and just getting in the Word, and I just felt really convicted yesterday of that. So I want to step out on the right foot today and do a Devo and watch YouTube and get cozy and make sure I eat this morning because I don't eat in the morning sometimes, and just have a day at home to kind of relax and remember what I'm thankful for, do the dishes, get ready, like take a shower, and just have a really easygoing but productive day. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, so I'm about to sit down and do my devotional, but I just realized my devotional is on the phone, so I'm not going to be able to film it, but I'm going to sit down, do a little Devo on my phone, and then I'll probably do the dishes. I don't want to. I'll do the dishes. And then I realized I need to pack because me and Jimmy are going to Washington, D.C. this weekend. We leave Friday, and it's Wednesday. And tomorrow I'm not going to have a lot of time to pack. So I need to pack for that. So yeah, I'm really excited about that trip. don't judge my hair too hard. I'm not done with it. But I cooked lunch, I ate, I got everything taken care of. All I have to do now is go babysit and go to church tonight. So that was kind of like me just getting my life back together, just getting myself out of a funk, just doing what I enjoy doing. Yeah, and I encourage y'all, if y'all feel like you're in a rut or if you feel off, make sure you're doing the things that bring you joy and make you happy, but also get in the Word of God. Get in the Word, guys. You know, Jesus died for us to live for Him, and He never promised that life was going to be easy, but He wants to hear from you. He wants to hear your struggles. He was tempted just as you are. So just talk to God. He understands what you're going through. He wants to hear from you. He's waiting. So if you feel off, if you feel weird, just get right with God. Get right with God, and I promise you're going to feel a million times better. So that's my little spiel today. I hope y'all have a blessed rest of the week. I promise I'll upload more. I am going to film and show you everything we do in Washington, D.C. We're going to a prayer march. They're thinking there's going to be thousands, if not 1 million people there. So we're very excited to pray for our nation, to pray in front of the Capitol, and just spread the word of God up there, because we need revival in America. We need to get back to God, because we're not doing that right now. So I'll talk to y'all more about that when we're there and when I film that video. So see you soon.